Hey guys, so today we got another Pokemon card opening. So I got this from Walgreens for $11 and it came with a pin. And that seems like a lucky pin, guys. So let's open it and see what we got here, guys. Ooh. Ah. Ah, come on now. Ugh. Alright, guys. Oh, here goes the packs. Yo, these are nice packs. Now, where did my pen go? Oh, come on, pen. Where'd it go? Oh, here we go. Now, look at this pen, guys. This has to be good luck. We're going to have that pen out right here just for good luck. Alright, so, when you catch a Dr. So if you had to go, I really want to open it. So, let's open it now. Open it right now. Here we go. Ooh, so I got to get a good card here because of that. So, oh, I forgot to show you guys the code cards. Go get yourself some free Pokemon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we got a Zapdos, Mega Turbo, a Shelgon, a Wildlands, a Wurple, a Swabble, a Pidove, a Bygone, a Tailo, and a, oh my, this is nice, guys. A special energy hollow. That's nice. Where's the other pack? Now here's the good bit. Let's see if we can pull a real good one inside this one, guys. Sorry, guys. So let's see here. Oh, come on here. Oh. Ugh. Oh, so this one just playing blue, guys. Oh, here's the code card here. There, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we got a level, an Anorith, a Pokemon Ranger, a Nuzleaf, a Oshawott, a Nidoran, a Fungus, a Mankey, a Clink, and where is? Oh my God, got a Yanmega Break. Let's go, guys. Oh my God, that's nice. That's nice, bro. So the two big cards here we pulled is this Break and this. And the special energies. This one I love, bro. This one I love. And it's all thanks to the lucky pen. Thank you, pen. We love you.